something sweet and healthy. I know that everyone has a sweet tooth. So today we're going to make this recipe with dates and omega-3. This dessert that we're going to make, it has iron, calcium, omega-3, and also manganese. So let's get started. Fry our dates, iron and fiber, and cut it a little bit so you can stuff all the stuff and take out the seed. Now we're going to stuff this peanut butter in the date. Oh, looks yummy. This dates, they look yummy. And here I have stuffed dates with peanut butter. You can use any butter of your choice, any type of nut butter. Here I have walnuts and sesame seeds, and I'm going to dip all of these stuffed dates in both of these. I'm dipping it in sesame seeds. This one I'm dipping in nuts. You can do any of your choice. Wow, they look beautiful and they'll be tasty too. You can use any nut butter of your choice, and you can store it in the refrigerator and you can eat it. Now, let me try one. This tastes yummy. It's crunchy and it's sweet. Thank you for watching Narisaki. If you want more videos, keep on subscribing.